In the last episode, we met with thousands of others who choose to live a nomadic lifestyle in a tiny home on wheels. We then headed north to Sedona, Arizona, hiked up to Devil's Bridge for sunset, and enjoyed a big pot of mac and cheese for dinner. As promised, we pick up today right where we left off. We can't wait to explore more of this magical place with you. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Cathedral Rock near Sedona, Arizona. We got up with the sun this morning to take it all in here. What a way to wake up.
Good morning, friends.
Hey.
Good morning.
Oh, hey, little coffee maker 12,000.
Do you have some water for me?
Yes, sir.
We run a whole jug.
Amazing.
We're gonna have breakfast and tea up on the rock, so of course we brought some chai. I am so stoked we came to Arizona.
I know.
I've been like amazed
underrated, I
at
feel like.
every turn.
Plus for us, like, we don't get to see this kind of landscape very
Yeah.
often. I've always wanted to go to like Moab and Utah, and I never really
Even knew that
put Arizona in that bucket.
Totally.
Yeah.
Totally. All right, so we're back at the van. We're gonna make some, is that what you're having for breakfast? Hummus and beet chips?
I can't follow something favorite.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna have that for breakfast and motor on to the next destination.
Oak Creek Canyon.
Buddy, it's all over your beard.
Yeah, it's delicious. I lied, we're actually heading to Bell Rock, which is another hike.
It's supposed to be another vortex. Apparently, you guys.
Have you even told them about the vortex?
Apparently, if you're a spiritual being like myself, you can feel some energy in what they call the vortexes of Sedona. So this was actually one of them. I think Eamon's cell phone frequency really messed with my spirituality this morning.
You
But
feel much?
we're gonna try Bell Rocks and see what we can learn about the vortexes on the way. There are so many reasons I think you should get up and do your hikes before sunrise or whatever. One of them being you get amazing lighting for photos. But the biggest one is that the crowds just aren't there yet. A lot of people aren't willing to get up at the crack of dawn. So,
Get up early.
Get up early. Good plowing, baby.
Holy Toledo.
What smells in here? Oh my gosh, something smells really dank. Really dank. Dash, babe, adventure dog, you ready for adventure number 2?
I'm gonna put my phone on airplane mode this time so I can really soak in the vortex. I recommend everybody else do the same.
We've been talking about that, like, I really want to experience it this time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the game plan with that? You gonna bring that to the top?
No, I'm going to tie it on the kid until we find trash.
Tie it on the kid.
That's what we do every time. Our van stinks, so we might as well just bring the stink with us
Yeah,
wherever
let's
we
just
go.
do this in your rig.
Yeah, might as well.
Sounds like a great plan.
Right, when we were out in the desert, some people were telling me about the vortex trees and how you'll see them and you'll spot them, and I think we've just spotted our first one. So this is it, guys. This is it. See how the tree is curving as opposed to going straight up like that one? This is not feeling the vortex.
No.
This is feeling the vortex.
Right.
So in true Eamon and Beck fashion, there has been no research done. So I'm hearing from the fellow hikers that we've got an hour and a half to the top. Can we make it?
If you guys are looking for like a more factual video, you might want to find someone else. This is not it.
Yeah. Why are you doing that? Buddy, hydrate yourself. What are you doing?
So this dog's pretty amazing. And he's kind of like his owner where he sits on random stuff.
Yeah, exactly. He saw Christian sit on this sketchy rock. He's like, I gotta sit on something fun.
Sitting on stuff that's fine.
Dash, is that comfy?
Dash. He loves it. He's laying on it.
So how was your hike? It's a nice one, huh?
If I could like draw the perfect day out, it would include basically everything we've done so far. So
How does it get better than this?
camper. But it gives me a little bit more cuddles.
We gotta keep it real with you guys. You may or may notice something a little bit different about us. That's because it's the next day. Here's what happened.
First of all, we were so Tommy Cookered after those 2 hikes. You and I haven't seen sun in so long, and then we just got smacked in the face with those hikes, which was amazing. Freaking loved it.
It was amazing.
Then number 2 was we had to upload our video. And in Sedona, apparently they just like to go at a nice slow pace, which I totally respect. But when you're uploading a video and it takes 12 hours.
Yeah. Long story long, didn't get it up until this morning. So we scrapped the rest of the vlog. We're picking it up here. And we've just come to a trailhead to make some lunch. So it's kind of like the same day. You could just ignore what we just said and pretend it is.
We didn't have lunch yet in yesterday's vlog, so hey, we're picking you up where we left off.
What's for lunch, you ask? Curry.
I'm very excited for lunch. And I'm excited to check out what Cliff recommended. I made a new friend today.
Oh yeah, what was that about?
Yeah, so in my 12 hours of uploading a video, people come and go through the cafe, but Cliff was a steady man, and Cliff gave us a bunch of recommendations. Him and his wife actually spend half the year on a sailboat and half the year in an Airstream. So he's been to Sedona and like knows all the hikes, and he told us where to go that wasn't gonna be overly crowded or anything like that. So, Cliff, we gotta see.
Now the real question is, Cliff, are you watching right now? Are you subscribed to the channel?
Cliff, are you there?
If you are, comment below.
And potentially the most exciting news of all, the smell has left the van. Isn't that amazing? So we realized that I think it was our gray water, which is really weird because often we change our gray water every time we put in new fresh water, and it never has that issue, but something must have snuck in that just was no good.
It's important that when you're in a tiny space, you make things tiny.
Oh, well done. Just waiting for lunch here, looking out the back window and thinking about how lovely Sedona is. I really think that Eamon and I need to settle when we settle one day in a place that has such accessible trails. I've seen like so many people just starting a little trail up that way, over there. Lots of mountain bikers. I'm loving it. Also, there's no cell service out here, which I'm also loving because I'm not gonna lie, I have like an obsessive compulsive disorder when it comes to like checking videos.
This whole vlog is about what Becca loves. Becca loves this. She doesn't love me. She likes this.
She likes cuddles. What do you mean it's about what I love? I love everything.
I know. Do I ruin that your clip?
Always. I love you though. I love
You
you
love
though.
potato curry that's gonna be happening soon?
Mm-hmm. Very much so.
Okay.
Have you taken in the view yet?
Yes. Plenty for room.
That's the finished product, y'all.
How's it, brew?
It's really good. The flavor is really nice.
The spiciness.
It's good.
Spicinessness.
Very good. Thank you, buddy.
Potatoes are cooked.
You make me feel loved in lots of ways, but cooking for me is one of my favorites. Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome.
Got a sunscreen up. I'm using a new, we're trying this out. Where did it go? In case anyone's wondering, it's called Green Beaver. It's a Canadian company and it's supposed to be natural and sweat resistant for 40 minutes. What happens after 40 minutes?
Okay. Let's begin the third hike of the vlog.
Where we parked was the trailhead for Devil's Bridge, which is what we did in the last vlog at sunset. And today we're going the opposite way and hiking around whatever this rock is called. Mescal, Te Mescal, everybody! Hello, Mexico!
The discussion of the trail has been Becca's father. And Don, if you're watching this, which you're definitely not, you're an absolute beauty. We're not making fun of you. But he loves going on a walk after dinner and always invites the whole family. And his classic go-to line is, nice night for it, or
beautiful day for it.
Yeah. So My challenge right now is to say beautiful day for it to every single person we pass. Nice day for it. Yeah. Nice day for it. Nice day for it. Nice day for it.
Yeah, beautiful day.
Nice day for it. Nice day for it. Nice day for it.
It is that.
Nice day for it.
Oh yeah.
Nice day for it, eh?
Yeah.
I had to drop an A on that last one because it was just a little too much without it, you know? Especially because they're booking it.
Gosh, I love this little hike.
Nice day for it.
Nice day for it.
Beautiful. Looks like the choice is difficult or extreme. Buddy?
Whoa, daredevil, are ya?
Second major decision of the hike. Are we gonna go down to the Canyon of Fools? No, I think that sounds a little foolish to do so. We've been questioning Cliff's recommendation to come to Canyon of the Fools and thought maybe we were a little foolish for doing so. But it's already starting to shape up. Hey, love.
Yeah, it's started as a trench. Now we got some walls.
I know.
I feel like we just gotta keep going.
I'm curious to see how far this builds up.
I need a mountain bike badly.
Who's a good boy? Look at all your poop bags. I would not recommend the canyon. Way to go, Dash. But if you're looking for a little exercise in your life, hey,
Hey, why not?
add it on. Sunset 360 view, baby. And there's not a person in sight.
You're still with us, watching us hike all around
Sedona.
Arizona. We appreciate it. We just basically chilled up top here and enjoyed the sunset. It was really beautiful.
For the four of us, it's a little bit difficult to just sit and chill, so it was kind of nice that we did it.
Well, actually, we had some work to do. Christian and Aubrey were working on a different project. But anyways, we already bought groceries, so we're gonna check you back in the van.
We just got back to the vans after that beautiful hike, and look at this. The moon!
Supposed to be a solar eclipse at 9:40. So
Try lunar eclipse.
stay tuned.
What did he say?
Solar.
Chef Eamon is back at it again. He's whipping up a little chili sin carne, and if I've caught him. He's checking it out. He's just checking it twice?
Yeah, it's just nice to make sure you're naughty or nice. No, you know, spices, just to get the spice recipe right. But we do have our full recipe on the Weekday Whip Ups book. Have you guys seen this?
Did you guys know we have a cookbook?
It's beautiful and works really well. Maybe I'll give you a little plug here. Check out all these recipes. Boom, boom, boom. You zoom in. You want to make a tomato soup? Boom! Hit him with the tomato soup, babe.
I think that's our favorite photo. Anytime we plug our cookbook, we're like, have you seen the tomato soup?
Yeah,
All right, I can't wait. It smells really good in here. We're gonna have some guests over for dinner.
Hello.
I'm
So pooped.
And?
I know.
This
If
boy
anyone's
even more
pooped, exactly. Buddy, you're not.
I'm not showing you, but I just wanted to let the vlog know that it takes a true friend to be able to be like, hey Aubrey, go to the front seat while I pull my pants down to my knees and use the pee funnel.
Thank you.
Chippies?
Thank you.
Yes, yes, you're probably thinking, wow, he's good looking, he cooks, and he cleans. What a catch.
Literally, babe, I turned this camera on to say that, and it would have been so much cuter coming from my mouth, and you just butchered it.
Sorry, darling.
Yeah, you're a catch.
Most you ever worked out in your whole life.
Sweetie.
He's pooped. Alright, I'm also pooped. We'll see ya in the
also
next
pooped.
one. Friends?
Bye vlog.
Bye, friends.
Bye,
Bye
friends.
friends.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Are you guys leaving or what are you doing?
What?
Goodbye.
Oh, you're saying bye to these friends?
Yeah, like get the hell out of my van.
Alright, bye friends. Come on, Dosh, let's get the hell out of the van.
We're done, we're blasted. You guys are probably bored of us hiking around Arizona. So
I don't know. I don't think you could get bored of hiking around Arizona. I
Honestly,
think Sedona
that's
is
true.
my happy place.
Yeah, Sedona is a place to be happy. It's kind of hard not to. And I'd recommend you come here and check it out for yourself.
If you guys enjoyed this video, if you've been enjoying this series, if you've just had a good smile on your face, why don't you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Leave us a comment below. Help us out, guys. Let's get this engagement through the roof.
Yeah.
Buddy today learned that it's nip it in the bud. This whole time, what have you been saying?
Nip it in the butt.
Bye, guys.
Now what if I did the same to you? But you